Your financial status before marriage and after marriage. Hi friends, welcome to Marriage Realities, a comprehensive relationship channel. Today's video is all about whether you're financially well off before marriage or after marriage. This is a very debatable question indeed. It is a harsh fact that money plays a great role in stabilizing your married life. Though money does not in any way contribute towards the happiness of your relationship, you need it for the financial security of your family. Why is money so powerful when only love should dominate your relationship? It is because money decides the mood of your relationship. You often argue and fight with your spouse when you do not have money to maintain the lifestyle both crave for. But when you have surplus money in your kitty, you feel satisfied by your financial status. And your good financial status makes you feel much more relaxed and comfortable in your married life. This money-minded society also respects you for what you're worth. So you need lots of money to maintain a good standard of living in your married life. You might deny this by saying that you're more concentrated on love than on money. But the fact remains that you're tense and frustrated when there's not enough money for your family. Does this mean money is more important than love? Money and love are interconnected and interlinked. Love might be the foundation of your relationship, but money is the oxygen of your married life. You cannot survive without oxygen, can you? It is true that love decides the stability of your marriage. But your love will be more beyond recognition when there's no love for your basic needs. So your marriage cannot survive without money. You argue with your spouse more about money matters than anything else, don't you? When your spouse restricts your spending and takes on the role of a decision maker of your income, you feel completely lacking and deficient about your financial status. I was financially well off before my marriage. I bought whatever caught my fancy and no one questioned me. But after marriage, my spouse literally controls the way I spend my money. You fume to yourself. Is it true? Were you really financially well off before your marriage? And is it true that your financial status has plunged after your marriage? What exactly is the truth? Shall we look at your financial status before your marriage? You never thought twice before spending money for whatever you fancied. You spent money without thinking about your financial future. You kept updating your modern gadgets immaterial of its cost. You did not save money for your old age. You bought many things which had transitory value with your hard-earned money. Now, shall we look at the ways you deal with money after your marriage? After your marriage, you think twice before you spend money. You also cut down your personal spending drastically as you need more money for the financial commitments of your family. After your marriage, you do not buy anything rashly, nor do you throw away your money recklessly. You are now concentrated on saving money for your family. You finally understand that money means a lot to your family. Can you see the huge changeover in your money dealings after your marriage? Only after your marriage you understand that money is an important commodity you can never think lightly about. Yes. After marrying a spouse, you realize that your relationship is a very responsible commitment. And you're taken aback by the many financial commitments in your family life which you never thought existed. You need money for the future financial security of your family. You need money to give the best education to your children. You need money to maintain a good standard of living. You need money to make your relationship tension-free. And last but not the least, you need money for the success of your marriage. It is true that there are times you long for your carefree days before your marriage when you spend recklessly without a worry in your mind. And it's a fact that you're frustrated and irritated when your spouse frowns at you in disapproval when you spend on something you long for. It is very true that before your marriage you had better spending capacity for your individual wishes. But it is only after your marriage you know the art of spending money on things that give you great social status. You should acknowledge that there are a lot of social status changes in your life only after your marriage. Before marriage, you dare not invest your money in a home as you fear the repayments will eat into your budget and you'll have to struggle for your day-to-day expenses. But after your marriage, you immediately plan a home as you have the income of your spouse as an additional input. Your combined income helps you furnish your home with classic furniture. After your marriage, you can afford to plan yearly vacations for your family. And in extreme cases, if at all you lose your job, you have the backup of the income of your spouse to help you through your bad times. The income doubles after your marriage as the earnings of your spouse adds up to your total income. After your marriage, the combined income of both gives you many more advantages. You can now afford to buy the best things available in the world market. After marriage, your spouse gives you intelligent advice about the ways to deal with your hard-earned money. Only after your marriage, you understand the importance of your family's financial future. And in your newly found responsibility, you spend and invest wisely. Before marriage, you never discussed your financial investments and money dealings with anyone as you were your own master. You also never knew the art of savings before your marriage. But after your marriage, you save money at the insistence of your spouse. Before your marriage, you squandered away your money as you had no responsibilities. But after your marriage, you think twice before you spend. Can you see how much your outlook towards money changes after your marriage? And for the good too. The combined income of both is a powerful tool to improve your lifestyle as you wish it to be. You improve your standard of living only after your marriage as the combined income of both makes you opt for the best. Do you still have doubts about your money status before and after your marriage? Money will elude you when you do not know how to manage it. Before your marriage, you were the sole master of your earnings and you did not know how to manage it. But after your marriage, you take wiser decisions about money. Both work hard for the betterment of your family. And both strive hard to improve the financial status of your family. All these good things about money happen only after your marriage. Did this video make you understand that you're financially well off only after your marriage? Marriage Realities will have many such relationship eye-openers. Subscribe to my channel to understand your marriage in a new light. Press the bell icon for updates about my latest relationship videos. Make love forever until death do us part your relationship goal.